Hey guys. So I just realized that I have been cooped up in my apartment literally all day and it is super gorgeous outside. So I'm going to go out for a walk, but I also thought that it might be really nice to have dinner outside on the balcony this evening. We have a really beautiful little setup going on there now and thought it would be nice for Matt to come home and the two of us can just sit out there and enjoy a beautiful evening. So we have this little balcony, which is super nice because summers in Stockholm are gorgeous. And yes, it's true, we might not even think about using this balcony for most of the year, but when we can, it is totally worth it. Okay, I got my keys, I got my favorite bag, let's go. So I feel really lucky because we actually live very close to a few grocery stores actually. So I can walk there in about 4 minutes, which is amazing because I love to pick up a little something here and there most days. I just bought some super fresh Arctic char, Swedish Arctic char, which is delicious. Looks very similar to salmon. It's the same pink color, really high in omega-3s. Now let's go to the grocery store. Okay, I got everything I need. Now I'm going to go drop everything off at home and then go for a walk because it's so beautiful out. Okay, hello and welcome to the kitchen, one of my favorite rooms in this apartment, as you will know. And if you follow on Instagram, then you would already probably know that cooking is essentially my meditation. It is my time to disconnect from everything and be really present with what I'm doing and really have that mindfulness experience. But yet I'm still getting to put together a really delicious and nutritious meal for us. So I feel like it's definitely a win-win. We're of course going to cook the Arctic char now. I'm going to make this very simple. It's basically just going to be like a one pan in the oven kind of deal. Okay, so I'm gonna start by baking some butternut squash and potatoes first in the oven because they need a little bit longer. And so I've just tried to give a little bit of space between the two so that I can put the fish and the broccoli down there once it's time to add that in. I'll just drizzle on a bit of olive oil. Okay, so I've just picked a handful of fresh basil from the balcony, so I'm gonna pop that in the little blender. 2 small cloves of garlic, some fresh lemon, a little bit of feta cheese, a good glug of good olive oil. Awesome. It turned out super creamy, but still really green and beautiful. The butternut squash and potatoes have started to cook, and so I've taken them out, added some broccoli, as you can see, the Swiss chard, and I've put some olive oil, salt, and pepper on them. And I'm just going to add some in slices. I'm going to add a few sprigs of thyme. And in we go.